In this video, we're going to have a look at what happened to mail on your iPhone and how you can change it back the way it was. Or let me show you why I think you might want to keep things the way they are with the new setup. Hi, I'm Lee. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you've updated your iPhone recently to iOS 18.2, you may have noticed that in Mail, things are different. And it's not the way it used to be. Now, my first instinct when I saw this was, I'm getting older, I don't like change, I don't like different, put it back the way it was, where's everything gone? But let me show you why this is kind of cool and how it can be useful. So basically what Apple has done is they have categorized your emails. They're using AI to try and work out what emails need to go where and set up different categories. So for example, primary, which is this first category here, this is what Apple thinks is like the most important thing, that the emails you really need to look at. But then you have transactions, and so this is stuff that you've bought, stuff that you've ordered, things like that. Then you have updates. So, there's an update to your software, something's been updated with a service that you use, so on and so forth. And then promotion. So this is generally newsletters, people trying to sell you stuff, all that kind of stuff. But something that's not entirely obvious. If you scroll even more from right to left across these four categories, you then get one that says all mail. So a very quick and easy way to get right back to just seeing all of your emails all at the same time is just when you're looking in any of these, so either, let's say we're in transactions, just slide your finger all the way along and it'll show you all your mail. So that's the easiest way to kind of turn it off or go back to things looking the way they were. But you can actually customize each one of these categories. So for example, let's go into transactions. And if I go and tap on the little button in the top right-hand corner, which is like three little dots, I now have the option to see it as categories, but I can also see my mail as list view. So it puts it all back to the way that it was. So that's one way to put things back the way they were. But then even within categories, I can do show priority, or I can see information about these categories. So that shows you the information about the categories, but you can also recategorize an email. So for example, if an email's gone to one category and it should have gone to another category. So for example, well, actually most of it's actually all done it correctly, but let's say for example, this tax invoice from Apple, so I've bought something from Apple, has gone the wrong place. So I go into the email, tap on the reply button, and you see where I can say categorize sender. I tap on categorize sender, and then I can categorize basically, so any more emails from Apple will go to primary transactions or updates. So I can change which category it goes to. Now, an interesting thing here is that unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on which way you look at it, this is only an iPhone feature. So this is how it works on iPhone. But if you go into Mail on your iPad and you've updated that to 18.2, you won't see this feature. If you go onto your Mac, you won't see this feature. I would be very surprised if we don't see this feature come to those devices, but at least for now, it's now the 17th of December 2024. This is only available on iPhone. So that was a quick look at what's happened to Mail in the categories, how you can use them, how I think they are quite advantageous, and if you want to, how you can switch it off. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was useful. If you have found it helpful or useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you in the next one. Safe and happy, whatever it is you're doing. It looks different. You're like, where is everything? How's it? What's going on? Okay, let's calm down a bit. Okay, not a little too full. You're a little much. A little bit too much. Okay. I think that all kind of made sense. Yeah. Okay, let's stop and see what it looks like.